I just arrived here at Hong Kong International Airport and we are going to check in at Disney's Explorers Lodge. So if you want a discount on the Disney hotels, you can book them on Agoda and use the code Ate Aisha. So right now we have to navigate our way from Hong Kong International Airport to the Disney Resort line.
So before you exit the luggage carousel, you will find Bank of China ATM. This is one of the few ATMs in Hong Kong that does not have extra fees. So I normally get my cash here using my GCash card or GoTime card before I exit. Once you exit the luggage carousel, you will be at the arrival hall. You can either go left or right for hall A or B, but honestly guys, it doesn't matter which one since these two are right beside each other. There are multiple ways to get to the city and the most convenient one will entirely depend on your hotel location. But you may choose from these three ways. The airport limousine bus, which is also the cheapest. Hong Kong Airport Express train, which is a little bit pricier, but it is the fastest. Then the private airport transfers. Since I will be checking in at a Disney hotel, I chose the Hong Kong Airport Express. So from Hong Kong Airport, I will ride the Airport Express to Tsing Yi Station, switch to the Tung Chung line and go down at Sunny Bay Station, switch to the Disney Resort line and go down at Hong Kong Disneyland Station. From there, you can just walk to the resort bus stop to your designated Disney hotel.
Of course, we're gonna take my favorite way to go to the city, which is the Airport Express. I already booked my tickets on Agoda, so isa-scan ko na lang siya after I ride. Always buy na lang guys online, so you don't have to line up for an extra hour pa. Ayan guys, so ang haba ng pila. So dahil may ticket na ako, di na ako pipila dyan.
One-way Airport Express to Tsing Yi costs around 445 pesos per person or roughly 7 USD. To ride the Airport Express, you don't need to scan anything from the airport. You just go inside immediately. You will then scan your provided QR code once you exit the station of your destination. For local trains, you can either use your Octopus card or any Visa or MasterCard. I would normally use my GoTime debit card for this. For some reason, the GCash card did not work for me in any of the trains here in Hong Kong. In total, the local train from Tsing Yi to Disneyland Station costs 121 pesos, $2 USD.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go down at Tsing Yi. It's just one station. It's the first station after the airport. It will take around maybe 15 minutes to get there. Because after that, it's just one ride to Sunny Bay, which is the platform connected to the Disney train. So sasakay tayo ng Disney train. Pinakagusto ko dito sa Hong Kong Airport Express is parang never siyang puno. Lagi ako nakakaupo and I always have space for my luggage. Ayan, so we just arrived here at Tsing Yi Station. As you know earlier, we didn't scan anything to exit the station. So now you have to scan your QR code. Again, I booked my Airport Express online. I got it from Agoda. You can use the promo code Aisha Agoda para may discount kayo. So, ayan guys. So, we have to take the Tung Chung line, one ride to Sunny Bay. We now have to go to a local train. So, you'll see the signs here. Ayan o, Disney Resort line, Tung Chung line. Basically, just follow all of the signs. So, when you're riding the local train, guys, you either use your Octopus card or me, like me, just use my GoTime. The GCash card, for some reason, it does not work sa trains here. Don't know why. There are elevators here, don't worry. We are in U2. We need to go to Tung Chung line. We have to go down. And it says to go down. It's U1. Let's go here. So once you get out of the elevator, just turn right. Tapos you turn left. Ayan guys, napakalaking sign. To Tung Chung line, Disney Resort line. Then you'll see it from here. We turn right. You have to look for yung ganitong machine, guys. Potato time. Yes, when you enter the train station, you have to go to U4. So right there. If you have a baggage, U4 to Tung Chung Disney Resort line. Very straightforward. There you go. to Chongchong and Disney Resort. That's it. But I'm excited to see because it's gonna be my first time to stay at Disney's Explorers Lodge na hotel. I've been to Disney's Hollywood Hotel and Disneyland Hotel. So I'm happy na napuntahan ko na yung trifecta. Very excited as a Disney girl. So we're now waiting for the Disney train. And if you have big luggage, just go at like the pinakadulo because it has a little bit more space so that you also don't bother anyone. But if there's no choice, of course, yeah. It's gonna be really quick, less than 5 minutes, maybe like a 2-3 minute ride lang, and we're already at the Disney Resort Station. The first time you come here, you can just go explore. They have different statues here na Disney characters. They also have the Mickey windows, as you can see here sa likod. And it's currently 2:56. We'll get there before 3, but may pila pa yan usually sa elevator. Then from there, I just walk to the shuttle station. Then we'll be there in a bit. Okay, so once you get out of the train, you have to look for the elevators, which is usually at the other end. So if you see the escalators, you just go past through it and go for the elevators. Success! Yeah, guys, we made it! This is my first time to experience Hong Kong Disneyland in winter season. Anyway, guys, let's go and check in. So from the Arc, you just go straight here. Ganun lang. Tapos turn left, and that's how you get to the resort shuttles. It's right there. Lahat ng shuttles is right there. So let's go. Resort shuttles. So you have to look for your hotel. Mine's Explorers. So it's A6. Okay, the shuttle's here, and it's Toy Story themed. How cute! Okay, guys, so we just got in. It should only take less than 5 minutes. I should be at Disney's Explorers Lodge. I'm happy I'm here and I'm very thankful that, I get to do this and I'll be able to stay at another Disney hotel. This is my third Disney hotel in Hong Kong and in general. And this time, I'll be staying at Disney's Explorers Lodge and I've never been there. So this one, it looks more like very Indiana Jones yung theme niya. The most different type of Disney hotel. Kaya I'm very interested. So I'll just check in, freshen up, then maybe just go around the hotel for a little bit and then I'll go straight back to the park because I want to watch the tree lighting ceremony around 6:20 siya. So dapat by 5:30, nakasakay na akong shuttle. So excited! Kala mo, dami ko tulog, di ba? But anything for Disney. It's in between the Hollywood Hotel and the Disneyland Hotel. We're here. Wow, first look at the resort. Guys, we're here. Oh my God, just look at all the Christmas decorations. You see Pluto.